This is your technical update from the LMAX Exchange Research and Analytics Desk for Wednesday, May 27th, 2015. Euro dollar. So the euro has come back under pressure since stalling out ahead of 115, with the market now looking like it wants to put in a medium-term lower top in favor of a bearish resumption back towards the March low, that 12-year low at 104.62. Next key support for the pair comes in at 106.60, while any rally should be very well capped now ahead of 110. Sterling dollar. So cable has come back under pressure after stalling out by fresh 2015 highs at 158.15, and the pressure is back on the downside with a focus on a retest of next key support at 150.89, which guards against the critical 2015 base at 145.65 further down. Dollar yen. So dollar yen has finally broken out from a multi-month range, with the break above 122 now opening the door for the next major upside extension towards the 125 to 130 area further up. At this point, any setback should be very well supported on dips, with only a break back below 118 to ultimately compromise the highly constructive outlook for dollar yen. Euro Swiss. So Euro Swiss has seen some setbacks in recent trade, though the market has shown signs of basing off 102.35 lows that we saw in mid-April. At this point, only back below the recent low at 103.05 would compromise the recovery outlook, with a higher low now sought out ahead of the next major upside extension beyond 105.25 and towards 108.15 further up. Aussie dollar. Aussie looks like it wants to put in a medium-term lower top in favor of a medium-term bearish resumption, with the market seen back below recent lows from this year at 75.33 and towards the 70 handle further down. At this point, any rally should be very well capped towards 79. Dollar CAD. So dollar CAD looks to be ready to resume its broader constructive outlook and uptrend, with the market basing out and putting in a potential higher low at 1920 ahead of the next major upside extension back towards and eventually above 128.35. Kiwi dollar. So Kiwi looks to be putting in a medium-term lower top at 77.44, which will be confirmed on a break below the yearly low at 71.76 and expose a deeper setback towards 65 further down. At this point, any rally should be very well capped ahead of 74. SPX 500. So the S&P 500 has recently put in a record high in the previous week at 2137, though gains have been very hard to come by, and the lack of bullish momentum has opened the door for a bearish reversal in recent trade. Look for deeper setbacks over the coming sessions, with a break back below next key support around 2060 to expose critical support at 2040 further down. A break below 2040 will open the door for a more significant top in the S&P 500. Gold. So although we've seen setbacks in recent trade in gold, with the market stalling out just above 1230, the setback should be very well supported ahead of 1170, with the market overall looking like it's putting in a major base off those 2014 lows at 1131 in favor of an eventual surge beyond 1232 and back towards the 1300 area further up. At this point, only a break back below 1170 would compromise the recovery and basing outlook for the gold market.